EasyForm Studio offers multiple approaches to furniture design. Create standalone furniture without placing it in a room. Design complex models based on CAD drawings. Use the sweet spot room feature to quickly create and place cabinets based on space dimensions. The room feature is particularly valuable when designing kitchens with irregular shapes or architectural obstacles, like pillars. EasyForm Studio automatically calculates cabinet dimensions and building elements to fit these spaces perfectly. To use this feature, go to the EFS tab, click on Room Properties. Check the Show Room option. Once activated, a room space appears where you can arrange your cabinets. Adjust the basic properties. Width, height, depth. The room can include up to 5 pillars to represent architectural obstacles. Left corner, pillar. Right corner, pillar. Center pillar. Left pillar. Right pillar. For each pillar, you can adjust its dimensions. For the center, left and right pillars, you can also adjust their locations within the room. For attic or loft spaces, you can activate a hipped roof by clicking the hip roof option. This allows you to define the center point of the roof, control the height of the roof slope. Experienced carpenters know that furniture must be slightly smaller than the measured space to allow for installation. When planning your room dimensions, draw the room slightly smaller than the actual measurements, typically by 1 centimeter or your standard clearance. This allows you to use Blender's snapping features to position cabinets perfectly. The result will be furniture that fits perfectly during installation. This practical approach saves time during both design and installation phases while ensuring your furniture fits perfectly in the actual space. Let's see how EasyForm Studio helps us fit kitchen elements around architectural obstacles. In our example, we have a kitchen space 4 meters wide, a left corner pillar 45 centimeters by 30 centimeters, a center pillar positioned 1 meter further, 45 centimeters by 45 centimeters. There are multiple approaches to working around pillars, but let's use a practical strategy. Place a cabinet in front of the first pillar, making it less deep and wide than the pillar. Add adjacent cabinets that align with the first one. Size the final cabinet to fill the remaining space precisely. To execute this plan, enable edge snapping for precision. Add the first cabinet and press L to add legs. Move it on the Y-axis so the back leans against the pillar. Move it on the X-axis to position it against the wall. Scale its width to match the pillar using S and then X. For the second cabinet, position it against the side of the pillar. Select the first cabinet and adjust its depth, S then Y, so its front aligns with the second cabinet. Continue this process. Add the third cabinet and position it against the second skillet to precisely fill the remaining space. Repeat this pattern around other obstacles. Once all base cabinets are positioned, you can add shelves, drawers, and fronts as needed. The key advantage is that you've filled the space without manual dimension calculations and can export cutting lists that perfectly fit this custom space. This approach ensures furniture that perfectly fits complex spaces while maintaining production efficiency.